Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wizz Air customer service. Whether you need to modify a booking, report an issue, or get answers about your flight, knowing how to reach their support team quickly can save you time and frustration. Let's walk through all the ways you can get in touch with them. First, open your browser and head over to the Wizz Air official website at www.wizzair.com. Once you're on the home page, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find several footer links, and among them is the Help or Help Center option. Click on that to access Wizz Air's support resources. Inside the Help Center, you'll see a variety of topics and FAQs, but what we're looking for is the Contact Us section. Click on Contact Us to view all the available customer service options. This page will show you multiple ways to get in touch depending on your needs and urgency. If you need immediate assistance and prefer speaking to someone directly, you can call the Wizz Air customer service hotline at 1-833-769-1476. This number, which is also 1-800-Wizz Air, connects you to a live representative 24/7, so you can get help at any time of day or night. For those who prefer not to wait on hold, Wizz Air offers a live chat feature. Look for a button or link that says Chat with Amelia or something similar within the Help Center. Clicking this will open an online chat window where you can communicate with a support agent in real time without picking up the phone. If your issue isn't urgent or requires detailed explanation, you can also send an email to Wizz Air at wizzapp.feedback@wizzair.com. This is especially useful for complaints or inquiries that need documentation and a thorough response. Another convenient option is using the Wizz Air mobile app. If you have it installed, open the app and navigate to the customer service section where you can call or chat with support directly from your phone. This keeps everything in one place and makes it easier to manage your booking while getting help. You can also reach out to Wizz Air through their social media channels like Twitter or Facebook. These platforms are monitored regularly, and you can often get quick responses to general inquiries or updates on your case. If you're calling from outside the primary service area, make sure to check the website for country-specific phone numbers. Wizz Air provides different contact numbers depending on where you're located, so using the correct one can speed things up. Before you contact customer service, have your booking reference and personal details ready. This information allows the representative to quickly pull up your account and assist you more efficiently. Once you're connected, simply follow any instructions the representative gives you to resolve your issue or complete your request. And there you have it. You now know all the ways to contact Wizz Air customer service and get the support you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.